Okay. Wait, hold it more flat. Come on, vlogging 2.0.
There.
Okay,
Is that
there
better?
we go. Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay guys, so in today's video, we're gonna be doing a little vlog style video of us just setting up stuff for our little mowing business. We're gonna try and start along with just the things we do in a normal day, which is we're gonna have a bonfire tonight since it's 50 degrees out, so it's not freezing cold, but I mean everything is melting, so everything's soaked, so it's gonna be hard getting it started, but that's where a torch comes in handy.
Yep.
So, yeah.
So you wanna see what we got from Rule King?
Yes.
Alright, so we got, oh, come on.
Oh my gosh, it's cold.
50, like 2-stroke gas. And then we got hitch pins for the
Weed whacker rack we got.
And then what else did we get? Let's look in the bag. Oh, trailer light. And bolt.
So what we
and then we got a seat.
Oh yeah, we got a seat for the zero turn in the last video. If you guys haven't seen that one, go check it out. But what we wanted to do today was we wanted to build a weed whacker rack, but nowhere has 1.5 inch channel steel in stock right now for us to weld it. So, and the steel rack's closed on the steel yard's closed on a Sunday, so we can't get steel from there. But all the common stores like Rule King and Home Depot, they don't have that size steel in. So we're gonna wait till well, it's a holiday tomorrow, so it's probably closed. So yeah, we're gonna figure it out sometime. We'll have a video of us making a weed whacker rack. But we got the essentials that we need for the weed whacker rack, like the hitch pins and stuff to hold the weed whackers in, and the eyelid bolts. So we at least somewhat prepared for that video. And then this video is gonna be mainly showing our new weed whacker we got back there for 50 bucks. That thing retails for $200 on Google, or at Ace you can buy it for 200 bucks, but we got a steal of it being only 50 bucks. He winterized it 2 years ago and hasn't used it since. So did you show him the gas we got? The 50 to 1? Yeah, the 50 to 1. So yeah, in this video we're gonna try and fire it up along with have a bonfire. We're gonna run by McDonald's and get some sweet teas because the essentials. Yeah. But yeah, tag along with us today, guys. Okay, so I got my sweet tea. Alan's no longer with me. Alan went to take his afternoon nap. He's like a 60-year-old, but in an 18-year-old body. It's kind of funny, but yeah. Let me show you what I got in my truck bed. So right here, me and Alan went and picked up some wood for our bonfire tonight. It's a little bit like damp, I guess you could say, but we're gonna have no problem getting this fire started. We're determined, and we're gonna have some s'mores tonight, so that'll be fun. But let's get trying to fire up that weed whacker. Okay, so I've cleared off a nice little workspace here, so I'm just gonna open this up right here. And yeah, it's bone dry in there. So I guess just pour some gas in there and try and pull start it. What's the worst that can happen? I'm gonna get a funnel. Oh, we're full. It's good enough. Wow, that barely took any gas. Wonder how long it lasts though. Set it right on over here. Smells good. It says do not breathe in though. Here's the spark plug. I bet this cover, looks like this cover is only held on by one bolt. I'm not gonna check it yet because I feel confident that it will fire up. So I have no clue if when I fire it up the end starts spinning, or if that's what this trigger thing's for, to spin the end. Maybe I should read about that real quick, but I'm gonna give it a couple pulls first. If so, I'll just shut it off right away, which I don't even know how. I think this shuts it off, that button right there. So yeah. has to be a choke. Oh, here's a little prime button. Whoa, I don't know what that does. I really should read about this. Let me go read the manual. Okay, after doing a little reading, I know kind of what I need to do now. So, yeah. Where'd all the buttons? Oh, here they're on this side. I need to turn it to choke. They said get into an open area, so where the blade's not touching anything. So I was like, probably smart if I move the blade away from touching all my bolt organizers. So yeah, I'm outside now. They just said pull start it like this. There we go. Okay, well, it works. Is that how it's supposed to run? Oh my gosh. Hey, Dad.
Buy it off you.
No, you're not buying it off of me. That seems right.
What?
Look at that. There we go, the $50 Weed Whacker works. Or it runs. I kind of flung snow up over you guys. My bad. Didn't mean to. This is nice. 50 bucks. So as you can see, the Weed Whacker runs really good. It works as it should. It's probably a little cold right now, so I should have it in the warmer stage mode instead of on idle, but oh well. But yeah, I'm happy with it. 50 bucks, can't be complaining. So yeah, saving money. The rest on the other side. Works good though. So as you guys could tell, this Weed Whacker, that I got for 50 bucks works really well. Kind of had a rough time getting it started, but I mean, what do you expect for a little tiny two-stroke after 2 years of not running? So definitely happy it started up, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to work on my weed whacker skills. I've always mowed the lawn. Well, Dad weed whacked, so I never really weed whacked. But now that I'm gonna be weed whacking a lot more, definitely gotta work on that. But I'll catch on quick. But yeah. Also, my grandma has a weed whacker that she said I could have for free. So now I got a backup weed whacker, which I was looking for another weed whacker because if this thing would ever not start or something, I'd be screwed if I had to go mow lawns. So it's always nice to probably have a backup weed whacker. So I was searching for one, and then my grandma said, hey, I had a weed whacker for you. So I was like, perfect. So that solved my problem on that. So this would probably be my main weed whacker. And then if I ever have a friend with me helping me out that day, or this one doesn't work, I got my backup weed whacker. Along with, I went to Rural King today to pick up all the essentials to making our weed whacker rack here. coming up in the next video. But when doing so, we were looking at leaf blowers there, and I was talking to the dude about what he thinks I should need or what would work best for me. And I think the Stihl 50cc leaf blower would work good for me because they have a 56cc, well, 56C, not CC, sorry. 56C weed whacker with the easy start, and I don't need the easy start. It'll start plenty easy with the 50, but there's no different in power wise or anything special like that. And then there's an even bigger one, but I don't need that because I'm not going to be doing any like gutter work or having a lot of attachments to my weed. I meant my leaf blower. I'm just going to be blowing grass clippings. So the 50cc is what I'm looking for. So I know the price of it, it's going to be $140 buying it brand new, but that price is not going to change in the summer, so I have till the summer to see if I can find a killer deal on Facebook Marketplace. So keeping my eyes open for a 50cc leaf blower, or maybe I could catch a deal on a nicer one and get the easy start, which I don't really need, but I mean, if I get a good deal on it, I'll get it. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video of us making the weed whacker rack, along with we've been working a lot on the Mustang. I just haven't got to a point where I'm at a finishing area to make a video, but we're installing a disc brake conversion kit on the rear. I have that mainly filmed up. I need to put rear brake lines on, and then that will be finished up along with the four-wheelers. I got another video coming out on the white and red one, and I forgot to buy a paint stripper today for the plastics on the $300 one, but I'm gonna get those suckers tidied up, along with I bought a new seat for the zero turns, so let's stink and go. But let's cut to our little bonfire we're having tonight. Cut to tonight. We got our fire going. It's been going for a while, so it's kind of really small right now, but it's pretty toasty. I had 2 s'mores and Anthony had 2 s'mores, and then Xavier just showed up.
Are you vlogging right now?
Yeah, I'm ending the vlog actually. I told him I'd end it with a nice little bonfire tonight because it was so beautiful out. So
hey,
yeah,
y'all better hit that subscribe button and the like button.
Please do. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.